Greetings Titans! How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel Culinary Titans. Here we teach and learn from each other. So the topic of this video is vegetables. Every time we cook something, we should always consider some important components of dish. A perfectly balanced dish must contain carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are found in many vegetables grown around the world. In this video, you will get to know about classification of vegetables and also get to know about lots of vegetables which are found in culinary industry normally. So, let's begin to talk about vegetables. Vegetables is a category of food which can be obtained from any part of plant which is edible. The edible parts can be stem, leaves, flowers, roots, tubers and sometimes fruits. Only those fruits fall under vegetables category which is not sweet like tomatoes, bell peppers, eggplant, squash and different types of beans. We are going to study them as per the category they fall in. So it will be include stem vegetables, leaves vegetables, flowers vegetables, stalk or bulb vegetables, seed vegetables beans, roots vegetables, tubers vegetables, fruits vegetables, fungi vegetables. Now let's begin with stem vegetables. It is an edible part of the plant which is shoots from the roots or bulb and it always grows above the ground unlike roots or bulb. Not all stem of every vegetable plant is edible. Some of the stem which are popular in our household and among the chefs are asparagus, celery, kohlrabi, leek, rhubarb it is actually a fruit, etc. Next we have leaves vegetables. Plants which has edible leaves fall under this category. The leaves can be all separate or very compact like cabbage. Mostly the leaves is needed to be cooked before it is ready to eat, but sometimes it can be consumed raw like cabbage which is eaten raw in the form of salad. Some example of leaves vegetables are spinach, cabbage, watercress, lettuce, bok choy, gailan, choy sum, Brussels sprouts, white loaf, silver beet, radicchio, kale, collard leaves, Swiss chard, mustard leaves, fenugreek leaves, etc. Cabbage and other leafy vegetables can also be classified further, and these will be discussed in many upcoming videos. I will suggest you to not miss them. And for that, you need to subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon to get the latest and upcoming videos. Now moving forward, we have flower vegetables. Some plants have flowers which is actually used as vegetables in culinary world. These are seasonal and are found during a particular season of the year and such plants are only grown for their flower buds. Some example of these vegetable are cauliflower, broccoli, courgette flowers, squash blossoms, artichoke, agati-dokke, Thailand, banana flower, and lotus. Next we have stalk or bulb vegetables. This is the part of the plant which grows just below the ground and is the portion which is in between the stem and the root. The root actually comes out from the bottom of the bulb. Bulbs are generally in layers of skin like onion and they are very strong in flavor. Some examples for bulbs are onion, garlic, spring onion, leek, kohlrabi, fennel and shallots. Next are seed vegetables beans. This category include legumes which is used as food. It is actually the fruit of the plant of which the seed is eaten. Sometimes it's peeled like green peas and sometimes it is not like French beans. It is also referred as odded vegetables. Plants which are not legumes and produce pod like fruit fall under this category. It generally grows above the ground but sometimes it grows below ground like peanut. The list for this is very big. I will give some examples here and will make a separate video for legumes. Some example for potted vegetables are fava beans, kidney beans, green peas, French beans, English beans, lima beans, licorice, peanut, snow peas, soy beans, etc. Now we have next the root vegetables. This category includes plants of which roots are edible and is used as vegetables. Usually long, round, and swollen taproot. Some examples of root vegetables are beet, carrot, radish, horseradish, turnip, celeriac, daikon, enset, jicama, konjac, maca, arrowroot, Chinese water chestnut, taro, etc. Next we have tuber vegetables. In this category those plant fall in which the roots are modified and enlarged into a swollen structure that is full of nutrients. This vegetable usually grown at the end of the plant root attached as a lump of rock. Some example of this category are potato, cassava, sweet potato, yam, yacon, kumara, etc. Now, we have next fruit vegetable. Plants of which fruits are used as vegetable fall under this category, but plant which bear sweet and fleshy fruit that are eaten raw does not fall in this category. Also plants of which grains or seed of their fruit are used do not fall in this category, for example beans, and legumes doesn't fall in this category. Some example of this category are tomatoes, avocado, bitter gourd, eggplant, kigwa or bottle gourd, bell peppers, ackee, African eggplant, ash gourd or winter melon, chayote, etc. And now, the last but not the least one, fungi vegetables. Commonly known as mushrooms, various types of mushrooms are available of which some are edible and some are poisonous. Some examples of mushrooms are button mushroom, enoki, oyster, shiitake, truffles, portobello, boletus, chanterelles, Grifola frondosa, morcilla, shimeji, straw mushroom, porcini, morel, etc. So, these are the vegetables. Some of them are always visiting our homes and some of them have never even heard by us, but are very common in culinary and chef life. If you think that this video was informative and helpful, then give us a like as an appreciation. And if want more such informative videos to come to you, you can subscribe my channel. And also press the bell icon. And I will talk to you in a new video. Till then, goodbye Titans.